basket. Mabry, come on. Hey, come on, Mabry, over here. Mabry, come on. Here, put it in the basket. I'm going to try not to. And head down this time, so we're going to V-back. Come on, Mabe. Hey, look at here. Look, here's another one. Mabry, come here.
Mabry, come on, babe.
Look.
You get it?
Get it. Come here. Get it.
Can you get it?
Get it. You got it. Put it in here. All right. Keep going, Mabry.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Come on.
Hey, Mabry, there's more over here. Come on. Come on. More. More. Let's go, Mabe. Mabry, over here. Is there any more in the grass? He's saying she's saying my name. Right here, Lisa. Oh, Mabry. Mabry, you dropped your basket.
Ethan's gonna get it.
Mabry, clean it up.
Ethan's getting it.
Mabry.
It's gone, Lisa.
Right here. On my feet.
Oh.
Daddy,
Mabry.
where's Mabry at? She can have the store.
Thank you. No, no, no.
Hey,
Leave it on the
leave
ground.
that one for Mabry.
Hey, come here, Mabry. Look. Hey, come here. Get it. Get it, Mabe. It's right by your foot.
Mabry, look right here.
Get it.
What about these right here? You take all of these?
All right, good girl.
Mabry.
Mabry. Good job. You're looking good. There you go.
Hey, cheese.
Mabry.
Mm-hmm.
About over here. Go back. You go all the way around the corner?
All right, Mabe. Let's keep on going around. Bobby, where are you? Hey, Bob.
Hey.
You got to look everywhere, Al.
Hey, go to the garden.
Ethan, look up high.
She was not walking the time last
No.
No, we didn't. They carried.
Yeah, you carried it around, didn't you? That's what I thought.
You see one?
Go, Mabry, go.
Can you reach it?
Go, Mabry, go. Say, well, I found several.
Oh, one of them just fell out of the tree. Oh my goodness.
It's on the ground. There she goes.
Go to Daddy. Go to Daddy.
All right.
Oh yeah, put it in your basket. Yay! All right.
Mabry, over here. Over here. Come on. Get it, Mabe. Look at here. Look at that arm. Get it. Get it. Put it in your basket.
Oh, you're doing so good.
Oh, good. More. Better go over there.
See if you can find them.
Keep going. Is there any more that are out?
Oh, I see it.
Up there.
Mabry. Look over there.
See it?
Look over there.
It's green. Get it. It's not a cookie.
Yeah, that's the one, man.
Good girl. Dixie. Look at Mabry. Hey,
Oh,
they're
you
going
did
to
so
your left,
good.
Bobby.
Oh yeah.
Mabry, over here. Over here, Mabe.
Yeah.
That's the one I was.
Mabry, over here. Mabry, over here. Hey, over here, Mabe. Look, my daddy.
Mom and Daddy.
Over here, Mabry. Look,
Uh-oh.
come here. Mabry. Hey.
Here's another one. Look at little baby. Mommy.
Right.
Put it in your
Coming
basket.
soon.
Put it in your basket.
Coming soon.
Look at big sister.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's keep going. Keep going, babe.
Put it on your arm. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm glad you've got that.
Let's go.
I told you he's going to want to take some pictures.
Go.
Get it?
You got the golden egg?
Golden.
Who got it? Hey, show it off.
Hey, Mabry.
You remember last year she found it and gave it to somebody.
Norbeth.
Yeah.
This one's got Buddy in it.
Ooh.
Jay, give it
That's
up.
supposed to be mine.
Let me see that golden egg. Hold it up.
Woo. I hear it jingling.
Yes.
It's up in the sky.
I got it.
Where was it?
Yeah.
It's gone. Get the tripod out and get everybody's picture after this is over.
Yeah.
Daddy, look up. Oh,
$1 and something cents. All right.
Everybody done?
We can play right here. Where you going?
Oh, you're fine. Woo, good kick.
I'm going the road though.
What you got, neighbor?
Hey, you gotta stop running. Hey, stop running.
What you got, Allie? What was in there?
I don't know. It's a dog.
Whoa.
Oh, Nora. There you go. Hey, where's the tripod?
Okay, I'm getting one.
We're a long way from that.
What? If we got them all, let's look in the bushes.
I can get that while you're rounding everybody up.
See who has the most.
Probably me.
And then you divide it by
Probably.
Allie, you were supposed to help Mabry, remember? Oh, yeah.
So that means Mabry got all of those.
You take your number back.
You said you were going to be the big girl.
I thought we should have thrown a bunch right in the middle.
Oh, Mabry. Careful, baby.
Get Uncle Mark to help you.